Hey guys, Kostas Lazanas, it's vlog number 4. Cody, your challenge to the vloggers was to go out and get a business deal. I've already had like 10 declines on a free gift card. So, isn't that so funny that, you know, I'm just trying to give away something for free, I'm getting no's. So your challenge is definitely harder than mine, but so this is like my rebuttal to your asking for a job. I'm just trying to give away gift cards to our awesome restaurant. So, hey, I think we gave away how many? 4 already? 5, 6? So our goal is at least to give away like 15 tonight, 20. Maybe we'll give them all away, I don't know. But we're doing it, okay? We're doing it, Cody. It's all about getting it done. It's all about doing it. Just do it. Just make it happen. Come on, let's do it. A random amount of gift cards, $2, it could be $20, it could be $50. So going around, just welcoming people to Oppa, giving them an opportunity to experience it, and who knows, maybe grab a new subscriber or two. So enjoy the vlog, something a little contrasting from yesterday. I'm gonna try to get Cody's enthusiasm in this one. We're gonna do it, we're doing it, guys. We're here, we're making it happen. Let's do it. Let's do it. Hey, what's up? What's going on, you guys? Hey, I was gonna say, I actually own Oppa Greek Taverna. Have you heard of it before? No. Greek restaurant. You live in the area?
Yes.
Gift card to the restaurant? No strings attached. Just giving out random gift cards to random people. Okay. Is that cool? All right. So it could be $5 to $50. I don't know how much is on here. Okay. All right, guys. You have a good day. So, what's your name, guys? Emily.
And Jackson.
And Jackson. All right. You don't play football, do you, Jackson?
I used to.
Have you been to the restaurant before?
I have been.
You have?
I haven't.
All right. See, he's been there before, but you're coming though. You have to now, right?
I tried it. Like
I like the place.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
My parents brought me back sometimes.
Sweet, sweet. So. Gift card over to you.
Thank you very much.
Guys, y'all are awesome. You have a great night, okay? All right, cheers.
All right.
All right, sorry. I just want to take a second to shoot some B-roll over here of one of my favorite beverages, which is coffee, right? Who doesn't love coffee? So let's whip out some awesome B-roll. I have the vegetarian platter. All right, so tell me your name. Jasmine. Jasmine? Okay. Jasmine, Desiree, and Jade, thank you so much. It was a pleasure meeting you tonight. I can't wait to see you at the restaurant. The food's gonna be amazing. And I know you're gonna love the vegetarian platter too. Hey, we're actually giving away gift cards to our restaurant. Would you be interested in having one? It's free of charge. We just want to introduce ourselves. My name is Kostas, I'm the owner. And we're just giving away gift cards. What's your name?
Aniela.
Aniela.
Yes.
Where are you from?
Eastern Europe, from Romania.
Oh my, you know you look Romanian. I wasn't gonna say anything.
Yeah, it's funny, I worked at a Lebanese restaurant 2 years back, and they had some like the gyros and stuff like that, and the lamb grape leaves, which now that I think of it, that's...
So you're Romanian?
Yes.
So
just some of the restaurants that I worked at.
Yeah, for sure.
Some of that Greek influence.
I have a friend of mine. We used to go out and party and have a great time, and then turns out he became a monk. He's from Romania. He decided he wanted to be a monk, so he left me. He quit eating meat, he quit listening to music, the whole package. So he moved to Romania in the mountains now. He lives in the mountains.
Wow.
He's got a beard like this now, so crazy.
Well, there's some good mountains out there too, so I'm sure he's high.
Exactly. Have you been to the restaurant before?
I think a while when it first opened.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, we've changed a lot since then, so check it out. Where are you from? Here in Rowlett? Aniela. Aniela, it was nice meeting you. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. It was a pleasure. I hope to see you at the restaurant, okay? store number 2, we're gonna give away another $100 in gift cards to Opa Greek Taverna. So let's go see who we can find. Hey,
Hi.
how are you?
Good, how are you?
What's your name?
My name is Grace.
Grace, that's my daughter's middle name. It's a beautiful name, so there you go. Well, my name is Kostas. I'm the owner of Opa Greek Tavern, and we are actually giving away gift cards to the restaurant. Can I help you out with one?
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Have you been to the...
I haven't yet. Well, this will be my first time.
Okay, so it's Greek food. It's not super scary, but check it out. If you want to, yeah, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do you have YouTube?
I do.
All right,
Yes, sir.
show us your subscription.
All right.
Let's see what you got here. So it's on the gift card there. Just type in that name on the gift card.
All right. So.
All right, look, Grace is doing it right now. She's subscribing right now in real time. For those of you trying to grow your YouTube channel, this is one way of doing it. Buy a restaurant, purchase gift cards, and give them to random people in Walmart. Start with try to find somebody named Grace. That's the best thing to do.
All right.
Let's
so
see.
Is it right here?
Kinda. Yeah, that'll work. Just press that,
All right.
and we're gonna press subscribe. And then we're gonna press, if we could, turn on notifications just so you can don't miss any of our content.
Right.
And just press notifications on.
Okay.
Bam, and then press back, and you're good. You have just subscribed. You want to show that to this?
Oh.
Is that you got it, DJ? Let me make sure that's on. Bam. Okay, you have subscribed. Hey, what's up, you guys? Hey, I'm the owner of Opa Greek Tavern, Kostas. Nice to meet you. Hey, we're just giving away gift cards tonight to random people. Can I give you guys a gift card to the restaurant?
Yeah.
Have you been there before?
I actually have been there.
I've never been there.
Cool.
No.
Yeah, check it out. There you go, guys. Gift card there. I don't know how much it's on there. It's like between $5 and $50. We just I had my manager swipe some random gift cards. They're like, hey, let's give out some random gift cards. So
Thank you so much.
y'all have a great day, okay? All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow on
Take
YouTube
care.
then, okay?
All right, thank you.
Cheers. Hey, I own a restaurant called Opa Greek Taverna. Have you ever been there before?
No.
It's a Greek restaurant.
I've never tried Greek food.
Well, why not? You guys want a gift card to the restaurant? There you go.
It's free?
Why not? Well,
Can I be on camera?
Yes, of course you can. What's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley Kostas. Nice to meet you. Your name? Yo-Yo. Yo-Yo, I like that, man. Cool. I bet your life is all about ups and downs, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cool. Nice meeting you. So nice meeting you. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Okay? I did not mean to disturb you, but we're giving away gift cards to our restaurant. Do you want one? Sure. You live in the area?
Yes, I'm in Hawaii.
Oh, Wiley. Okay, so I actually own Opa Greek Tavern. It's a Greek restaurant. Have you had Greek food before? Yes. There it is. There you go. That's yours. Whatever. I'm not sure how much is on there. It could be as little as 2 and as much as 50. Okay. So you never know. Just something that we want to do to kind of go around and meeting new people. What's your name?
Delvery.
Delvery. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, Elijah. Okay, very nice, very nice. Well, it certainly means so much to us that you stopping by and check us out. Yeah, hit that subscribe button, smash it if you like. That's it. Awesome. That's one way of getting subscribers.
I'm turning on my notifications.
Turn them on. Yeah, you'll love all the videos that we make. Promise.
I'm already watching them.
Y'all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you tomorrow's vlog, okay? All right.
Delvery, Tony, and this is Elijah.
All right. So nice to meet you. Y'all have a good day, okay?
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Opa Greek Taverna, eating bananas.